G'day, Greg's Guy here. Well, it's product review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. Woolworths slow cooked beef ragu lasagna. Now, ragu is a meat-based sauce commonly served with pasta, so that's what this is. And this was actually a request by one of my subscribers to review this product. So it looks really amazing. It costs like $8 though, so it's pretty expensive. But we're going to give it a go and see how good it is. Now, I'm just wondering, if it's a meat-based sauce, how much meat is actually in it? Well, let's find out by looking at the ingredients, right? Ingredients: beef ragu, 56%, so it's 40% beef, it says there, with tomatoes 24%. It's got onion and red wine at 5%, and oh man, I tell you what, all the rest of it looks pretty tasty too. Now it weighs 400 grams, and on the back here it says that the energy is 2,340 kilojoules, which means you could probably have 3.5 of these every day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner, here I come. If it tastes any good, of course. Anyway, let's suss it out, see what it looks like out of the packaging. It looks like someone's brain. I don't want to eat brains. I'm not a zombie yet, although I could do with some extra brains. Anyway, let's figure out how to heat this up. Right. Heating instructions. Heating times are guided may vary depending on your appliance. For best results, heat in oven. I'm not heating it in the oven. I'm using the nuker. Right, nuker. Remove sleeve. Righty-o, copper. Pierce film in several places. Yeah, mate. Microwave on high for 5 minutes, ensuring product is thoroughly heated through. Well, how am I supposed to know if it's heated through? Do I have to stick my finger in and suffer a 60-degree burn? And I'll tell you what, if I do and I get one, you're getting sued! Stand for 1 minute. Remove film, taking care as hot steam may escape. That's what I was going to do. Serve. I don't pierce, I lift. I'm a bit of an edge lifter, you see. It creates a hole there and, well, I don't like stabbing things, so it's just one of those things that I don't like to do. So we'll whack it in the nuker here. And it said to cook it for 5 minutes. Start nuking, buddy. Alright, well the timer's up and I gotta tell you, this kitchen smells so good. Oh my goodness gracious, this smells good. So let's suss it out. Okay. Gotta be careful peeling off this plastic, remember. That's if it wants to come off. Well, the brain seems to have slightly disappeared. And, well, looks a bit liquidy on top there. There's a bit of runniness about it. Oh, looks like one of those things with used to get at the show and it had a piece of string tied on it and you used to wrap it around your finger and it goes blah, 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 blah. I could do this all day actually. This is the most fun I've ever had with food in my life. Whoopee! How about we cut it open and see, well, if it looks sort of half like this. Oh man, this smells good. Oh, I love these crusty edges too. All right, how am I going to lift this up? Oh yeah. Oh, I see. Tell you what, that doesn't look too bad actually. Looks very similar. Look how much meat is there. Oh yeah, baby. Yummo. I think it's alive. Alright, well, it's time to give this bad boy a taste. I hope it doesn't burn my mouth. That'd suck. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got this like cheese sauce on the top. Yeah, that's alright. Actually, the flavour of this is, I don't know, it's got a bit of a tanginess or vinegariness about it. I think it's the tomato in it, sort of giving it a bit of a strange taste. It tastes alright, but, well, generally I get the $2, say 40 lasagna from Woolworths or Coles, and well, that's the one that I always go for, and well, to be quite honest, I don't think it tastes any better than that. And this is around the $8 mark, so man, I could have got 3 of the other ones for this one, and they're the same weight as well. Gee. Now, I really like the other ones, don't get me wrong, and this tastes just as good, but it doesn't really taste any better. So you're paying an extra, what, $6 for no real reason other than it's got Ragu written on the thing. And the other one is frozen, but this one was fresh, but still, it's not really doing it for me. Even if it does taste alright. It does seem to have plenty of meat there, which I am enjoying. If I could taste it, considering it's 40% meat, mate, I'm struggling to even taste the meat in this. But, well, I mean, it's alright, but what would my recommendation be? Well, let me tell you. Straight after this commercial. Do you like Greg's Kitchen? Well, if you do, subscribe for more, or the cat gets it. Alright, well, my recommendation is, well, I mean, if you want to drop $8.50 or $7.50 or however much it is on a home brand Ragu Lasagne, then go for it, mate. Personally, I'd be going to the freezer section, getting the $2.40 lasagna, and just nuking that for 10 minutes, and, well, pretty much getting the same flavour for a third the price. Well, there you go, the beef ragu lasagna. Not much better than any other lasagna I've had, and for the price of it, it's probably not worth really entertaining. But if you are into that sort of thing, if you get one, I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. Well, I hope this product review helps you decide what to buy and what to walk past in the supermarket. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review a product. See you then.